Okay, so I'm going to be showing y'all how to make a presentation on the Prezi website. So first you're going to want to go, and I'm already logged in, but this is how you would log in. You would hit log in, and you can either sign up through your Facebook or Google or Microsoft like most people at Coastal have. But you'll type in your email and username. You hit login. And then you can go, and so if you want to create a new project, there are many options. To choose from. So you can create a poster, a banner, a presentation, book report. There's literally endless opportunities for you to create. But we're gonna create. Let's go with a lesson plan. So we'll pick an iceberg. We'll say we're gonna use this template. So I would say I'm making this about the weather. And do it for anyone on the web, because that's how you can do it with your free account. So first you're gonna wanna make it your title. So since I'm doing the weather, you're going to want to change it to whatever it's going to be about. So there's my weather. And then say I'm going to talk about, for this one, I'll say that this one's going to be about clouds. Different kinds of clouds. So right here, there's the different, on the left side, you have this little bar, the scrolling bar, and it has each one of your little circles right here. You see there's 5 different categories: product launch, clouds, distribution, strategies, foundation. So if I go to clouds, now it takes me to even smaller things, smaller little bubbles, and if I wanted to make this one specifically about, so this says social media, so this will bring you in just farther and more detailed. It's just a way for you to go from side to side and get deeper into the information. And it's just a really cool tool to use as a teacher. So, yeah.